In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font size in Lucidchart. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to make your text stand out clearly. Whether you're labeling shapes, adding notes, or preparing a presentation-ready diagram. First, go to lucidchart.com in your browser. Once you're in your workspace, you'll see your dashboard with your documents. The interface may look slightly different depending on updates, but the core controls for text formatting are consistent across the editor. Next, open a recent document. On the dashboard, you'll typically see a recent section. Click the document you want to edit so it opens in the Lucidchart editor. Working inside a real diagram makes it easier to see how font changes affect your layout. Now click on the text you want to adjust. If your text is inside a shape, you can click once to select the shape and then click again to place the text cursor, or simply double-click to start editing the text directly. If you want to change the size of several text elements at once, press and drag to select multiple shapes, or hold Shift while clicking items. Just make sure the text you want is highlighted or the shapes containing that text are selected. With your text selected, look toward the top left area of the editor for the formatting toolbar. You'll see a drop-down that displays the current font size, usually a number like 12, 14, or 16. Click that font size control. This is the central place for adjusting how large or small your text appears. If your window is narrow, the toolbar may compress. Expanding the window or clicking the formatting icons will reveal the font size option. Change the font size by choosing a value from the drop-down or by typing a specific number and pressing enter. Larger numbers increase the size, smaller numbers decrease it. If you're adjusting headings or titles, try a larger size for emphasis. For labels or smaller annotations, pick a size that remains readable without crowding your diagram. Keep an eye on text wrapping. If the text spills outside a shape, you can enlarge the shape or reduce the font size to maintain a clean layout. Remember, zooming the canvas won't change the actual font size. It only affects how it appears on your screen, so rely on the size control for true adjustments. That's it. You've navigated to Lucidchart, opened your document, selected the text, used the font size control at the top left, and applied the size you want. Use consistent sizing across similar elements for a polished, professional look.